Have you ever held a coin that looks so ordinary, yet hides a story of power, innovation, and royal legacy? Well, today, on Coin Grove, we're uncovering the secrets of the 2017 £1 coin, one of the most advanced and symbolically rich coins in modern British history. Don't be fooled by its small size. This coin marks a turning point in the history of UK currency, blending art, technology, and heritage all into a single shining piece of metal. From its fascinating design to its hidden security features, and even its collectible variations worth far more than face value. This is a coin every collector and history lover should know about. So stay tuned till the end as we explore the story, design, value, and mysteries of the 2017 £1 coin from the United Kingdom. The 2017 £1 coin was officially released on March 28, 2017, by the Royal Mint of the United Kingdom. It was introduced to replace the older round £1 coin that had been in circulation since 1983. The main reason behind the introduction of this new coin was the alarming number of counterfeit £1 coins circulating in the UK. It was estimated that 1 in every 30 old £1 coins was fake. This new version was designed with enhanced security features to make counterfeiting nearly impossible. The 2017 coin thus represents a major modernization step in the UK's monetary system and stands as the world's most secure coin at the time of its release. Unlike the older version, which was round, the 2017 £1 coin has a unique 12-sided shape, making it instantly recognizable. The coin is bimetallic. The outer ring is made of nickel brass, gold color, while the inner disc is nickel-plated alloy, silver color. This dual-metal design not only adds to its beauty but also contributes to its anti-counterfeiting security. The coin weighs about 8.75 grams and measures 23.43 millimeters in diameter. Its thickness and shape were carefully designed to work seamlessly with vending machines and ATMs, replacing the old coin's function entirely. The front side, or the obverse, of the 2017 £1 coin features the fifth definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark, a talented Royal Mint engraver. Unlike previous designs, this one was created digitally using 3D modeling technology. The portrait shows the Queen wearing the royal diamond diadem, the same crown she wore during the state opening of Parliament. Around her image are the inscriptions Elizabeth II, D.G. Reg. F. D. 2017, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The portrait gives the coin a majestic and timeless royal appearance. The reverse side of the coin carries an equally fascinating design. It was created by David Pierce, a 15-year-old student who won a nationwide design competition organized by the Royal Mint. His artwork beautifully represents the 4 nations of the United Kingdom through their national floral emblems: the English rose, the Welsh leek, the Scottish thistle, and the Northern Irish shamrock. These emblems are all emerging from a single stem within a coronet, symbolizing unity among the nations. This design perfectly captures the spirit of the UK, diversity growing from shared roots. The 2017 £1 coin is often called the most secure coin in the world. It includes several layers of anti-counterfeiting technology. Among the most notable is the latent image feature, similar to a hologram, which changes from a pound symbol to the number 1 when viewed from different angles. It also includes microlettering around its edges, readable only under magnification, and a hidden security feature embedded within the metal itself, known only to the Royal Mint. This technology ensures that the coin can be easily verified by vending and banking machines across the country. That the edge of the 2017 coin is milled with alternating smooth and grooved sections, giving it a distinctive texture and making it easy to recognize by touch. Unlike many previous coins, the 2017 £1 does not have an engraved edge inscription, a decision made to prioritize its shape-based security and simplicity. The edge's 12 sides are also symbolic, representing the 12 months of the year and the unity of the 4 nations that make up the United Kingdom. The Royal Mint produced hundreds of millions of these coins in 2017 to ensure a smooth transition from the older round coins. According to records, over 1.5 billion new £1 coins were struck during the initial release. The coins were minted primarily at the Royal Mint facility in Llantrisant, Wales, which is one of the most advanced mints in the world. The transition was so large that the Royal Mint coordinated with banks, shops, and vending machine companies for months before release to ensure readiness. Following the introduction of the new coin, the old round £1 coins were demonetized on October 15, 2017. This meant they were no longer considered legal tender and could not be used in shops. However, people could still exchange them at banks for a limited period. This massive replacement campaign marked the end of a 34-year era for the old coin and the beginning of a new chapter in the story of British currency. Although the 2017 £1 coin was mass-produced, there are some rare varieties that attract collectors' attention. For instance, coins with minting errors, such as misaligned bimetal layers, double strikes, or incorrect orientations, can be worth much more than their face value. Some error coins have sold for hundreds of pounds on auction sites. Additionally, collectors value early release coins, proof sets, and those with pristine uncirculated conditions, as they represent the first of their kind in British coin history. Every aspect of the 2017 £1 coin carries deep symbolic meaning. The blending of two metals represents strength and unity. The 12 sides symbolize stability, structure, and tradition. The combination of four national symbols in one design reminds citizens that despite regional differences, the UK stands united under one crown. It's not just currency, it's a tiny piece of national identity, proudly representing the collective heritage of the British Isles. The 2017 £1 coin gained attention worldwide for its advanced design. Many countries praised the Royal Mint for developing new anti-counterfeiting technologies and combining artistry with science. Its success inspired other nations to adopt similar bimetallic, multi-sided coins for their own currencies. It remains a benchmark for secure coinage in the 21st century and is often studied in numismatic exhibitions and security conferences globally. Apart from circulation coins, the Royal Mint also released brilliant uncirculated, proof, and gold-proof versions of the 2017 £1 coin for collectors. These coins were made with extreme precision and mirror-like surfaces, often housed in special presentation cases. Some limited edition sets were also sold, featuring the coin alongside earlier £1 coin designs, a tribute to the evolution of the pound through the decades. In the collector's market, the 2017 £1 coin usually holds modest value in circulation, but certain minting errors or pristine examples can command much higher prices. Coins still sealed in Royal Mint packaging or included in proof sets are highly sought after. Depending on rarity and condition, some 2017 £1 coins have sold for £50 to £200. As time passes and coins wear out, uncirculated examples will become even more valuable to collectors. The release of the 2017 £1 coin was more than just a currency update. It marked a milestone in the modernization of UK money. It restored public confidence after years of counterfeiting issues, while showcasing Britain's ability to innovate and preserve tradition at once. It also solidified the Royal Mint's global reputation for excellence and security in coin production. Today, the 2017 coin continues to circulate widely, symbolizing both the legacy of Queen Elizabeth II and the enduring unity of the United Kingdom. So, the next time you come across a 2017 £1 coin, take a moment to appreciate what you're holding. It's not just metal. It's a story of heritage, craftsmanship, and security combined. From its groundbreaking design to its hidden details, every inch of this coin reflects the pride of a nation. Whether you're a collector or just curious about coins, the 2017 £1 coin is a fascinating piece worth exploring. And if you enjoyed discovering its secrets, don't forget to subscribe to Coin Grove, where every coin tells a story, and every story reveals a hidden treasure in your pocket.